So, getting ready to start drag racing. We had a visitor. He's cool. He's cool. Not shutting us down, I don't think.
Congratulations on being first in Durham.
Nice.
First, Mike.
Nice, thank you.
Richard.
I'm glad you were racing first round. I don't care who you're racing as long as, thank you. As long as not one of you guys are.
Thanks for coming out, guys.
Well, that was a ton of fun. I didn't think drag racing would be so addicting. It's still not going to replace crawling for me, but it is a ton of fun. What did I learn tonight? Well, for starters, building a drag car in 2 days and not tuning anything probably isn't the best way to get started. Literally threw the car together, threw the body on it, slapped the motor in, and went. Battery discharge rates are very big in drag racing. I only have 50C discharge batteries because of crawling. It's more than enough for crawling, I believe. But everyone there was pretty much running a minimum of 100C discharge. And yes, I was holding my own, but you can definitely see the difference. And my car would launch off the line all right, but the other cars would just reel me in and eventually shoot by me. I did win a few, but in the end, probably should have did some tuning and stuff. I did get a lot of advice from some of the other drivers there. I got to change my gearing. I'm running a 23 tooth pinion, I believe it is, and a lot of the gentleman I was talking to definitely suggested trying running a 21 tooth. So I'm gonna try that and actually try to tune the car and get a few more hits in. I only drove it maybe 4 or 5 times before I went and raced. So, coming from a crawling world, I'm going to chop it up to a win for me. Did I make the top 10 list? It was a top 10 list race. I believe I got 12 out of 17. So, okay. Not bad for starting. So, that is it. So, when are we going to see this car again? The next race we're probably going to go to. There is a race coming up in September. I'm going to look into going, see if we can dial the car in a little more. And we'll see. We'll have some drag racing on the channel. We do have more crawling stuff coming, so those folks that follow me for the crawling, the diehard crawlers, don't worry that there's some coming up. And we're still fingers crossed for at least one more crawling event before the year's out. We'll see. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button and subscribe. And usually I say happy trails, but keep the car straight.